Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Maintaining trailer hazard warning lights for safety and compliance. Proper maintenance of hazard warning lights on trailers is key to safety and compliance. These lights alert other drivers to potential hazards, helping prevent accidents. They're a critical safety feature. Maintenance is straightforward. Check the lights regularly, replace damaged bulbs, and keep them clean. This helps you stay safe and avoid fines for non-compliance. Types of hazard warning lights. When it comes to hazard warning lights on trailers, you have a few options. The type of light you choose can affect how visible your trailer is to other drivers, and how long your lights last. You want to make sure you're using the right kind of lights to stay safe on the road. LED hazard warning lights. LED hazard warning lights are a popular choice for many trailer owners. They're energy efficient, which means they use less power to produce the same amount of light as other types of bulbs. This can be a big deal if you're running your lights for hours at a time. LED lights are also very durable. They can withstand the rough conditions of the road and last for thousands of hours. This means you won't have to replace them as often, which can save you time and money. Plus, LED lights are generally brighter than other types of lights, which makes them more visible to other drivers. Halogen hazard warning lights. Halogen hazard warning lights are another option for trailer owners. They produce a warm, yellow light that's easy on the eyes, and they're often less expensive than LED lights. However, they're not as energy efficient as LED lights, and they don't last as long. They also tend to be less bright than LED lights, which can make them less visible to other drivers. On the other hand, halogen lights are often easier to install than LED lights, and they're widely available at most auto parts stores. If you're looking for a simple, no-frills option, halogen lights might be the way to go. Daily checks. Emphasize the importance of daily checks for damage, wear, and tear, and corrosion. Start by visually inspecting the lights and their surroundings for any signs of damage or wear. Look for cracked lenses, broken bulbs, or corroded connections. Check the lights' brackets and mounts to ensure they're securely attached to the trailer. Make it a habit to turn on the hazard lights every day to test their function. Ask yourself, are all the lights working? Are they bright and visible from a distance? A simple daily check can help you catch any issues before they become major problems. For example, you can create a checklist to help you stay on track. Check the lights for any signs of physical damage. Test the lights to ensure they're working correctly. Inspect the connections and wiring for any signs of wear or corrosion. By doing these daily checks, you can help prevent accidents and ensure your trailer is visible to other drivers. Weekly cleaning. Explain how to properly clean the lights and lenses to ensure optimal visibility. Cleaning your hazard warning lights is just as important as inspecting them. Dirt, grime, and bugs can accumulate on the lenses and reduce their visibility. To clean the lights, start by turning them off and letting them cool down. Use a soft cloth and a mild soap solution to wipe down the lenses and surrounding areas. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that can damage the lenses or harm the light's electrical components. Rinse the cloth thoroughly and wipe down the lights again to remove any soap residue. Finish by drying the lights with a clean, dry cloth to prevent water spots. By cleaning your hazard warning lights regularly, you can ensure they remain bright and visible to other drivers, even in low light conditions. Troubleshooting common issues. When it comes to maintaining hazard warning lights on trailers, issues are inevitable. The good news is that most problems can be easily identified and fixed with a little troubleshooting. Think of it like diagnosing a problem with your car. You need to know what to look for and how to fix it. In this case, we're going to explore some common issues that can affect your hazard warning lights, such as faulty bulbs, corroded connections, and damaged lenses. By knowing how to troubleshoot these problems, you can get back on the road quickly and safely. Faulty bulbs. Let's start with one of the most common issues: faulty bulbs. If your hazard warning lights aren't turning on, the first thing to check is the bulbs themselves. Are they damaged or worn out? Replacing a faulty bulb is relatively straightforward. Start by turning off the power to the lights and letting them cool down. Then, remove the lens or cover to access the bulb. Gently pull out the old bulb and replace it with a new one of the same type and wattage. Make sure it's securely seated and the connections are clean and free of corrosion. If you're not sure what type of bulb to use, consult your trailer's manual or contact the manufacturer. When replacing bulbs, it's a good idea to check the electrical connections and wiring for any signs of wear or damage. A faulty connection can cause the lights to malfunction or not work at all. By checking the bulbs and connections, you can identify and fix the problem quickly and easily. For example, you can use a simple checklist to help you troubleshoot faulty bulbs. Check the bulb for any signs of physical damage. Test the bulb to ensure it's working correctly. Inspect the connections and wiring for any signs of wear or corrosion. Replace the bulb if necessary. Test the lights again to ensure they're working correctly. By following these steps, you can fix a faulty bulb and get your hazard warning lights working again in no time. And that wraps up part 1. Now you know the basics of trailer hazard warning lights. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the maintenance steps to keep them in top shape. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.